Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable reviews or disable product reviews in WooCommerce. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in WooCommerce and just click here on settings, WooCommerce settings, and then you're going to see it here all, and you want to click on product, and right here you would just want to scroll down below and you're going to see enable reviews. So we just like disable them. And also you can disable the star rating on reviews if you want to, but this is how you can do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.